Tesla gathers Cybercab Gleet in Giga, Texas. Tesla appears to be assembling a growing number of Cybercabs at Gigafactory Texas as preparations continue for the vehicle's mass production. Recent footage shared online has shown over 30 Cybercabs being transported by trucks or staged near testing areas at the facility. The images and video were shared by longtime Giga Texas observer and drone operator Joe Tetmeyer in posts on social media platform X. Interestingly enough, Tetmeyer noted that many of the Cybercabs being loaded onto transport trucks were still equipped with steering wheels. This suggests that the vehicles are likely testing units rather than the final driverless configuration expected for the company's robotaxi service. 30-plus Cybercabs on the move via transport trucks at the crash testing facility today. I've had many viewers ask how these Cybercabs are loaded up on the trucks, and today's your lucky day. I captured this in progress. Cybercab side and rear camera washer operation. I captured this today as Cybercabs were being loaded onto transport trucks. The vehicles could potentially be headed to testing sites across the United States as Tesla prepares to expand its robotaxi fleet. Additional footage captured at Gigafactory Texas also showed the Cybercab side and rear camera washer system operating as vehicles were being loaded onto transport trucks. The growing number of Cybercabs at Giga Texas comes amidst the company's announcement that the first production Cybercab has been produced at the facility. Full Cybercab production is expected to begin in April. The vehicle is expected to play a central role in Tesla's robotaxi ambitions as the company looks to expand autonomous ride-hailing operations beyond its early deployments using Model Y vehicles. Congratulations to the Tesla team on making the first production Cybercab. Tesla has also linked Cybercab production to its proposed unboxed manufacturing process, which assembles large vehicle modules separately before integrating them. The approach is intended to reduce production costs and accelerate output. Musk has also noted that the Cybercab's ramp will likely begin slowly due to the number of new components and manufacturing steps involved. However, he stated that once the process matures, Cybercab production could scale quickly. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.